folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am in Guca, Serbia at the Guca factory. This model right here shown beside me is what we call the Guliver in North America. We have it featured here in two colors. Located right here is going to be the soapstone and here is going to be the burgundy color. The burgundy color is like a ceramic porcelain tile, so it's very, very easy to keep clean. If anything's spilled on this, it's going to wipe right up. The ceramic tile is available in 3 different colors. The red that's shown here, we can order it in a cream color and all black as well. Here we do have the stone finish. We have had some shortages on stone, so we're going to be bringing in some models with the cast iron panels. Cast iron will be available in black or a gray kind of silver color. The cast iron panels are going to have the same kind of thermal storage benefit that the stone models have that we talk about in a lot of our other videos. This model can be ordered with a simple side shelf, which is shown here. It'll give you the basic backsplash and just a shelf to set any kind of items, maybe bread to rise, something of that sort. Located here, we do have the warming oven option. Inside the warming oven, this is great for if you're cooking for a large family, holiday meals, something where you're preparing for a lot of people and you want to be able to serve it all at one time while it is warm. Here we show inside the warming oven. Quite a bit of space to be able to set something in here. It's interchangeable for a left to a right hand flue. This is going to come with some kind of plug, so you're going to want to plug the top of whichever flue you aren't using, otherwise your heat is going to dissipate out of your warming oven and kind of defeat the purpose. I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. I try and show you guys the full product before you make your purchase. If you guys have questions, comments, please drop them below. I do read your guys' comments. Don't forget, if you like my videos, give them a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.